Are you constantly juggling meetings, deadlines, and personal responsibilities with little time left for your health? I get it. Staying fit and eating healthy might feel impossible when you're always on the go, but it doesn't have to be a battle. In this video, we'll show you quick workouts and easy-to-prepare healthy meals that won't have you living in the kitchen. Stick around till the end, because I have nice tips on staying consistent even during your busiest weeks. Let's get cracking. Right, first up, we're tackling the morning with a 5-minute routine that'll get your blood pumping. Mornings can be tough, but starting with a burst of energy can set the tone for the entire day. Imagine waking up, stretching, and diving into a quick workout that leaves you feeling invigorated and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. No need for fancy equipment, just use your own body weight. Think jumping jacks, a classic exercise that gets your heart rate up and muscles engaged. It's simple, effective, and can be done anywhere. Next, we have high knees, which are great for boosting your cardiovascular fitness and warming up your legs. Follow that with squats to strengthen your lower body and core. And don't forget planks, which are fantastic for building core stability and overall strength. We'll go through each exercise together, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, this routine is adaptable to all levels. Listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed. This routine is all about getting those endorphins flowing and setting a positive tone for the day. Exercise releases chemicals in your brain that make you feel happier and more relaxed. Plus, it can improve your focus and productivity throughout the day. Even on super busy mornings, try to fit in a couple of minutes of movement. Every little bit counts. You don't need a lot of time to make a big impact on your health and well-being. Just a few minutes can help you feel more awake and ready to tackle your tasks. So, let's get started and make those 5 minutes count. Are you ready? Let's go. Remember, consistency is key. The more you make this a habit, the easier it will become. Let's do this together and kickstart our day with energy and positivity. Let's tackle that desk job slump. Sitting for long hours can make you feel stiff and achy. We've got a 10-minute office stretching routine that'll have you feeling refreshed. Focus on stretches for your neck, shoulders, back, and legs, all those areas that tighten up after hours of sitting. Regular stretch breaks will not only make you feel better physically, but also improve your focus and productivity. So let's get stretching and say goodbye to that desk job slump. For those who can squeeze in more time, let's kick things up with a 20-minute full-body workout. This routine is designed to maximize your results in the shortest amount of time possible. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this workout is perfect for everyone. Warm up with light cardio to get your blood flowing and prepare your muscles for the workout. This workout targets all major muscle groups and gives you a great cardio workout. Start with burpees, which are excellent for building strength and endurance. They get your heart rate up and work your entire body. Continue with mountain climbers that are another fantastic exercise. They engage your core, shoulders, and legs, providing a full body challenge. Don't forget lunges. Lunges are also perfect bodyweight workout. They are great for your lower body, targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Push-ups are a classic move that strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Squats are essential for building lower body strength and improving your overall fitness. No equipment needed, just your own body weight and a can-do attitude. This makes it easy to do anywhere, anytime. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get in shape. This workout is all about efficiency. In just 20 minutes, you can get a comprehensive workout that challenges your body and boosts your fitness levels. It's perfect for busy schedules. After you're done, cool down with some stretching to prevent muscle soreness and improve flexibility. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve in just 20 minutes. Consistency is key, so make this workout a regular part of your routine. Let's get moving and make every minute count. Meal prepping. Power lunch in minutes. Let's conquer lunchtime with efficient meal prepping. Assemble vibrant and flavorful meals packed with nutrients. Start with a base of leafy greens. Add your favorite veggies, and top with protein like grilled chicken or tofu. Sprinkle on nuts, seeds, and a tasty dressing. Prepare in advance for a grab-and-go lunch. Layer ingredients in a jar to keep your salad fresh and crisp. No more soggy lettuce. Meal prepping saves time, reduces stress, and ensures you have healthy options ready. Quick dinners. Stir-fry veggies with protein. Stir-fries are quick, easy, and a great way to use up leftover veggies. Use any protein you like: chicken, beef, shrimp, or tofu. Prep your ingredients before cooking to speed up the process. Stir-fry your protein, then veggies, and finish with a flavorful sauce. Serve with brown rice, quinoa, or noodles for a complete meal. It's that easy. Bonus tip: meal prepping. Your secret weapon for consistency. Meal prepping is a game changer. Set aside a couple of hours on the weekend to plan and prepare your meals for the week. Plan your meals, create a shopping list, and prepare your ingredients. Cook in batches and store meals in airtight containers. Label containers with the date to keep track. Meal prepping saves time and stress during the week, helping you avoid unhealthy takeout. You've got this. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With these quick workouts and easy meal ideas, you can stay fit, energized, and productive. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your life. Start with 1 or 2 tips and gradually incorporate more. Let us know which tips you'll try first in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content from the Curated Edge. Thanks for watching.